Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another set of craft, and this time a craft for kids as Children's Day is in corner. And this beautiful hanging can be used for a birthday decoration or kids room decoration. So without wasting much of your time, I'll start creating it. To make this, you require colored paper, scissor, thread, pencil, scale and a cardboard. So first we will fold the paper. I will take the cutout for cloud. Keep the shape uniform, fold the paper into half, draw the outline and then by using a scissor cut it out so that it's symmetrical. Similarly, we will also do a cutout for hot air balloon. I am using a cutout of hot air balloon, cloud and an airplane for my craft. You can make other shapes also as you wish like. So now we'll start pasting the small bit of cutout for making the airplane, and I am making it for both the sides so that when I add this in a string it should look uniform and symmetric from both the ends. Start pasting each of the plane and the cloud in the string. Give a three-dimensional look to your craft. I am using 3 cutouts of the same size and then pasting them together. We can also use this beautiful threads as a symbol hanging also, or you can put them all together in a circular ring and use it as a decoration for the cradle top. So to make that circular ring, I have used a cardboard. So I have taken small strips of cardboard and I've put them all together to make the beautiful circular ring. I have used multicolor papers to match it with my craft. It gives a beautiful colorful look to your beautiful hanging. The ring is ready. Now it's time to add our strings together. So I'm just tying all the strings. Make sure that you leave some extra string for the top. All the strings together, I have used a curtain ring, that small ring which comes for your curtain. Small curtain ring will help you to hang it anywhere you want. And our beautiful hanging is ready. It's so beautiful. It's time to hang this to the ceiling and to mesmerize its beautiful, whimsical look. I use this as a part of my birthday decoration. I hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and I'll get back with another and new innovative set of craft. Bye bye. Thank you.